For Bellwork today, we will be doing free rice. I know some of you have gone there before, so if you just click on freerice.com, and then you're going to go over here to the left-hand side, these three horizontal lines, or the hamburger. If you click on it, and then you're going to go to categories. If this is your first time doing it, you can put in your birthday, no problem. So you're going to click on pop music. I had it already selected, so we're going to click on pop music, and for every correct answer you earn 10 grains of rice. So what I want you to do is earn 200 grains of rice. So you'll just go ahead and click on this, and you see I have 10 grains of rice. Once you get to 200, what I want you to do is go and practice using your snipping tool. Now it should already be pinned to your taskbar, so you should be able to just click on it, go to new, and then see how it turns. And what I need you to do is just go like this, so that I can see that you earned 200 grains of rice. So you'll go to File, Save As, and what I want you to do is we're going to create a new folder so that when on the days we do this, we can keep track of it, and at the end of the quarter or the time, we can find out how many grains of rice we have donated. So you're going to go to OneDrive, your 21-22 Intro to Arts, quarter one. Oops, sorry. Let's go back one. So I'm going to click on quarter one. In quarter one, I want to create a new folder. There's a folder here, or you can right click and go to new folder, whichever one you want to do. If you click off it like I did, you can right click and go down to rename, and we're going to name it Free Rice. And then we are going to put in the date. So we're going to put in August 18. And then hit save. Alright, so that is what you are doing for Bellwork today.